I was trying to show you how you can select one face, and if you select the face right above that one, for example, it gives you, you see that it gives you it selects that whole row. That doesn't make much sense there, but let's take a look at the character. Let's say you want to select you know, this part up on the character, so you could select, or on the fingers, for example, when you do the fingers next, you could select these two faces, and wait, what am I doing wrong? Okay, there you go. And what it does, it calculates based on the direction that you selected. It selects like kind of the whole row going up or sideways. If you do it sideways, it selects, you see, it selects the sideways. I was not holding shift before, that's what I was doing wrong. So that's one way to work with the fingers, if you wanted to work with the fingers that way. Okay, you can always, you know, select you know, one side of the fingers and then go in this direction. And I'm doing it again. You know, and select, you know, maybe you know, just the finger, you know, one at a time, the whole row. Okay, that way you select, you know, the whole finger, and you can do a cylindrical projection, which again I lost it. Okay, there. Select here and double click. Select here. Hold shift down. Make sure you do that, and double click. This one, and double click. Make sure you select shift so that you selected all the tips. It's just that part, okay. And if you do it correct, then you should have undo the whole cylinder, the finger selected. And what you can do then is maybe do a cylindrical projection for the finger, and using the same technique that I showed you, you can just rotate the projection. Click there, rotate tool, click, and just move the projection to a point where you can see better what is it that you're mapping. Okay, maybe over here. There you go, and you know, kind of rotate it. I think that will be okay. And then from there, you can just kind of start moving points at this point. You know, let's say scale it down. Do it universally from the center, so that it's uniform, so that I can do it that way. Okay, let's do it on the UVs with this tool. And scale, and that way you can kind of see, you know, where the problem areas are a little bit better. And then start moving points away. You know, you can start relaxing and doing, you know, what you need to do to better improve the position, okay? Once you're done, please be aware that you need to put all those inside the default texturing area. So just finish everything, you know, can cut the character and it's as many pieces as you want. And then when you're done, everything needs to be right in there, in that little area there. Somebody was asking if you can make that bigger, and as far as my knowledge, that's the area that you have defined by the software to read the textures from. So you just have to scale the UVs to fit in there. If you notice that the checkers get too small, then you can just go to the material editor and just increase the UV repetitions as we did at the beginning of this demo, okay? So I hope this helps get you started. You can break it, you know, as you can make the face bigger if you want to give more detail, and build the UV map as you wish, okay? The idea is to have the whole you know, distribution well set up. So have fun, and I hope this gets you started with one of the most complex areas of the body.